Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So this is my last Vlogmas video और 2020 खत्म हो रहा है. Okay, so with this note, 2020 was really bad. मतलब बहुत bad to so many of us, me especially, but it's okay. I had my good times and my bad times, so it's okay. But yeah, I hope 21 is really good for all of us. I hope 2021 is good for all of us, and I wish everyone a very happy new year, and wishing you all the health, wealth, happiness जो आपको चाहिए वो सब आपको मिल जाए. मेरे मेसी बाल को इग्नोर करते हुए let's jump into the video. Okay, so today is a Nykaa haul. I know you're wondering कि दुबई में Nykaa, but I actually got it from India. Like I ordered stuff in India काफी time से, and finally it has come to me. So let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you is a restock. This is my little baby. This is the Laneige. I still don't know how to spell it, but this is the Laneige's sleep masking balm. So this is basically a lip balm and it smells like berries. You can put it overnight and your lips will feel plumped, and it actually works. I used to have very dry skin, and after I started using this mask, it has helped my lips a lot. And ये खत्म हो गया था 10-15 दिन पहले, and I was waiting for it, and finally it's here. So the second thing I have is so random. I picked up this Kama Ayurveda's lavender water. I read that it's very helpful, like you can use it as a mist on your pillow when you don't get sleep. And I have this issue. Who can relate to me? Lockdown ने तो मतलब पूरा schedule खराब कर दिया है, and my sleeping schedule is okay, it's fished up. So I had to get this, and I actually tried it out. It smells very calming and soothing. मतलब you know, it helps you calm your senses and your mind, and that's how it maybe helps you with your sleep. It's actually basically a mist. You can use it as a body mist, you can use it as a pillow mist, or you can also use it as your. I got this free with this. I don't know, कुछ minimum order था तो ये free में मिला. That is the Kokum almond butter, body butter. So this one is छोटू सा है, बस मैंने ट्राई किया है इसको. यू हैव टू यूज़ इट ऑन द रफ स्पॉट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. मतलब जैसे ये एल्बोज होते हैं, हैव दीज छोटे छोटे से व्हाट दे कॉल इट रैशेस टाइप्स. तो मैंने ट्राई किया उस पर, एक ही दिन ट्राई किया, तो अभी देखते हैं कैसे वर्क करता है. इफ़ इट वर्क्स देन आई विल लेट यू नो ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, सो गो फॉलो मी देयर. The next thing I got is this Wadi Herbals under eye cream. This is the cheapest under eye cream, and I have seen so many reviews on it, and I've seen so many people suggesting. I think I saw this in Mridul's video and I decided to get it. So ये तो छोटी सी डब्बी में आता है, और इसकी बहुत क्रीम टाइप कंसिस्टेंसी है. I haven't tried it yet, so I will try and I will let you know, okay? मेरे काफ़ी डार्क सर्कल्स आ रहे हैं अभी because of my sleeping schedule, so I will let you know if this works. Okay, अभी मैं जाऊँगी थोड़ा सा मेकअप की तरफ. Not exactly makeup, but kind of makeup. The first thing I have here is Maybelline के 3 lipsticks. I really liked Maybelline when I bought it last time. I got the nude nuance, so I thought let's just give other shades a try. So I got Fleming Fuchsia, I guess. It's Fleming Fuchsia. This is like a cotton candy pink, and it's a pretty pink. I really wanted a pink shade in my collection because I had one pink shade but वो expire हो गया, you know. So, and the second one is Craving Coral. Oh my god, I had this Lakme का एक coral shade in their lip crayons, and I used to love that shade. मैं सिर्फ वही पहनती थी. And they discontinued the shade. Like, why would you do that, Lakme? So I thought of getting a new coral shade. This one does look quite corally. I hope it does. You know, I haven't tried it yet on my lips. I did swatch it. It does look like orange. I like orange lipsticks a lot. You know, it looks good on my face. So the next one I have here is Clay Crush. This is a nude color. And of course I love nudes more than any other color, so I had to get this. And especially I love brown undertone nudes. They are my I also love the Madras Kapi. You can try the Madras Kapi from Nykaa. Liquid lipstick ka Madras Kapi is bomb. I love that lipstick. I always wear that shade. It's a pretty coffee brown color, but darker. Not exactly coffee brown, but darker. It's a very pretty shade. So the next thing I got is, I was very fascinated by this idea of liquid eyeshadow. So I got the Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow. It's really pretty. This color is, I guess, champagne. Yes, it's the shade 03 Champagne. And it does work so beautifully. I just took teeny weeny dots and then put it, like, just smudged it on my eyes, and it looks bomb. Like, imagine putting a colored eyeshadow and then just putting teeny weeny dots and then, you know, dabbing it. It'll look bomb. And I'm really impressed because this is not so expensive, and Swiss Beauty is actually winning my heart. I also spoke about the highlighter. I use the Swiss Beauty highlighter. And I think Swiss Beauty is coming out with great products with such affordable prices. So, woo! Okay, so the next thing I have here is, I had to get this, man. I just had to get this, okay? The fact that I love Smashbox lipsticks makes me so much more happier that I got like 2 lipsticks in such affordable price. This Smashbox lipstick, come on, let's be honest, it's very expensive. I got the Gulabi one. And I loved it. I loved the इसके जो brush होते ना, I love the brush of it. You know, you can very nicely outline your lips with it. So I have 2 shades. Malvika Satlani came up with this lip kit. It's this Smashbox into Malvika's Always On Mini Matte Duo. So we have 2 shades here. The driver's seat, of course, Malvika raves about this, so I had to get it. And I'm wearing driver's seat right now, and I'm quite liking it. It's not this it doesn't look nude on my lips for some reason. It looks like a little bit darker. I don't regret buying it because I like the shade. It's nice. And I love Smashbox lipsticks, okay? They are bomb. And the other one is Babe-A-Lot. Babe-A-Lot is a bit of a pinky tone, pinky nudish. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Next thing I got is the Miss Claire's Glimmer Sticks for Eyes. It's just basically silver eyeliner. I'm wearing it in my inner corners, if you can see, and it's pretty good. I like the pigmentation. It just slides beautifully. I like the pigmentation a lot. And it's not very light, it's quite dark, and it's glittery, and it does its job. मतलब eyeliner का job है तो वो कर देता है. The next thing I got is the Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner stick. Because guys, let me be honest, I hate eyeliners. I cannot work with eyeliner. Bottle वाले, Dazzlers वाले या Lakme वाले eyeliners, no, I cannot do it. So I thought of trying out pencil eyeliners, and dude, they look bomb. Honestly, it looks so pretty and it was so easy to use. मतलब इसकी pigmentation बहुत सही है, and you can easily do your whatever the wing eyeliner and stuff बहुत आसानी से you can do. But one drawback I feel is that the lid is very mota. You cannot, like, in the corners, if you try to like patla sa, it'll be a little bit difficult because you'll get mortar strikes. But you can work with it. For people like me, this is a lifesaver, honestly. Okay, so the last brand I have here is the Mamaearth. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा सुना है Mamaearth के बारे में. Indian brand है, cruelty free है, वो है, ये है, तो I had to try it. So I got their C3 face mask. I haven't tried any of the products yet, but I like that it has charcoal coal. Sorry, it has. I like that it has a charcoal, coffee, and clay. So it must do something to my skin. So I will try it out and let you know in my next videos or on my Instagram. Then I got the onion hair mask. I don't know why but I don't know why I have two. Maybe I ordered two by mistake. But anyways, onion hair mask. It says with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. चलो अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं इसमें. तो मेरे बाल बहुत ही ज़्यादा टूट रहे हैं. एंड I don't know, my hair is getting very rough, maybe because of the color or Dubai ka pani mostly. But yeah, I wanted to do something for my hair, so I decided to pick up this hair mask. So ये भी मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया, मैं try करूँगी and I will let you know soon. तो जब मैंने ये सब लाया तो I got this free, this whole tub of aloe vera gel from Mamaearth, which is nice ना. लेकिन आई हैव नो आइडिया एलोवेरा जेल से मैं क्या करूँ. लाइक मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ एलोवेरा जेल से? कुछ तो करूँगी. अगर आप लोगों को पता है कि एलोवेरा जेल से मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. सो दैट इज़ ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैड. व्हाई एम आई सिंगिंग? So guys, that's all the products that I had, and I hope you liked the video. I hope you felt like buying some of these products maybe. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then give it a thumbs down. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok if you have TikTok. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.